हेलो बच्चों, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू एक्सरसाइज 2.5. दिस exercise is based on some formulas. I am writing the formula. You also note down on your copies those formulas, then apply accordingly. I will explain some questions also. First formula is a plus b whole square. Formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next is a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. These formulas, whatever I am writing, you would have read in your previous classes. Some of the formulas, not all. Then a square minus b square. This will become a plus b into a minus b. Then identity coming x plus a, x plus b. This will be x square plus within bracket a plus bx plus ab. Format you have to learn, and these formulas can be applied both way, from this side to this side or this side to this, in reverse manner. A plus b plus c whole square. This will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then a plus b whole cube. This is coming a cube plus b cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b. A minus b whole cube. This is a cube plus minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. These are similar formulas, but there is difference of negative sign. In plus, all the signs are plus. In the minus, plus sign are interchanged with minus sign. Pattern is similar. You can learn in your own way. Then it is coming a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 abc, that is equal to a plus b plus c in one bracket, another a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now these are the formulas to be applied on exercise 2.5. Now I am going to discuss some questions. On the basis of those questions and your understanding, you solve the other questions also. Let us take question 1. Question 1 means part of question 1. Was first part of question 1. It is written x plus 4 in one bracket, other bracket x plus 10. Now you have to simplify it. Simplification means some of the formula would be looking to be applied here, and you have to use. I am writing formula this side for the sake of your understanding, and how to use that I am explaining. Your formula is to be applied looking here, x plus a and x minus plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b and plus ab. Now what you have to observe, you have to compare this left side. X is looking like in both the brackets. In place of a in your question it is 4, in place of b in your question it is 10. It means what is x plus a, here it is x plus 4. What is x plus b, it is here x plus 10. Now resembling this formula and replacing a to 4, b to 10, you apply this formula. Whatever a and b looking here, you have to replace those a and b with 4 and 10. Then how to apply? In the same manner, you have to write whatever the formula is written, x square plus within bracket a plus b means these digits numbers are added. Now you are having 4 and 10, simply in addition format you write 4 and 10, and x also here. I am missing the term. Yes, it is x. Plus AB means multiplication 4 into 10. Now this is the formula application step. Whenever you will apply any formula, in the right margin you will have give to remark of the formula before the step. I have written here because space was limited. That's why I am writing in the next line. That's why otherwise you will have to write the remark before the step. Now simplify. X square plus 10 plus 4 14x plus 40. This is the answer. Whatever the formula is applied. Now take the question 2, first part of question 2, that you have to use, have to find 103 into 107 by using the formula. Question is written. You can multiply simply manually. What is the multiplication method? But here you have to use the formula. How to use the formula? You will have to break these quantities like, I am breaking it like 100 plus 3, and this is 100 plus 7. You will have to observe that I am taking the first quantity similar. You can break in any of the quantities to quantity, but for the sake of application of formula, I am writing it 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. 100 is the similar quantity because in the formula you take care of this. It is x plus a and x plus b. It means x is the similar. Whatever the value here will remain the same here. Whether it is variable, then x will be it is. If it is y, then it will be y, both side, both brackets. If it is any digit, suppose it is 100, then both place it should be 100. This is the concept of applying the formula. Formula is similar. You can copy from here. Now simply application of formula means this is x square. First term is x square, means 100 to the square. Whatever x, that was 100 and its square, plus a plus b. 3 plus 7 into x means it is 100 plus 3 into 7. This is the application of formula I have made. X square plus x means 100 square. A plus bx, 7, 3 plus 7 into x means 100 and 3 into 7. This you have applied the formula. Now simplify. 1000 is 100 square means 140, 10,000. It is 7 plus 3 10, 10 into 100 1000 plus 7 3 ja 21. Now simply add it. This will become 21 10, then 1 101. This is your answer. This is the application of the formula. Let us take one more question. Question number 3, first part. Question is written 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Now you will match this quantity from left side of the formulas, whatever written. I had told you just before that identities can be used in any manner, whether from left to right or right to left. Then you observe identities to be used here is x plus y or a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or 2ab is the middle term. I have written wrongly here. It would be a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is correct. Now you have to change this into this expression. When looking this format, you can readily write this one. It means this will become 3x whole square. 9x square can be written as 3x whole square plus this is y square later on. Now you have to write this term into 2 into x 3x whole square. Writing means within the square whatever you are writing, this will become a, resembling to the formula. It means this 2ab means a will become 3x into b means y plus y square. Now the format is looking a square plus 2ab plus b square. B square in the bracket you can also write. This format is matching to the formula. When similar format is matching, formula is to be used in this way. This can be written as a plus b whole square. What is a and b? Those plus a plus b whole square you have to write with those quantities. A is looking here is 3x plus b is looking here y. Simply you can observe within the square quantity whatever written is will be a plus b resembling whole square. This is the answer. This is a simple exercise just based on the formula. You have to approach the format of the formula. Whether you use the formula in left to right side or right to left side, simply apply the format and solve the question. One more question I am telling you, that is question 4 part 1. It is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. This is the identity a plus b plus c whole square to be used, whatever you match from the formulas I have written. It is a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Simply apply the formula. X square plus b square means 2y square plus c square means 4z square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, this is 2ab, plus 2 into b into c plus 4 2abca into 4z into x. This is the application of the formula in the right side format. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc, bc means 2 into b into c. Now simplify this. X square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 2 to the 4xy plus 2 to the 4, 4 ja 16 yz plus 4 to the 8 zx. This is the formula. Now on the basis of the questions and formulas, you will have to solve question number 1 to question 6. I have explained only up to 4. I am giving you 2 questions. Just take your caliber to check your caliber. Formula is simply all these the formulas to be applied. Now you have to learn actually how to apply the formula, not to solve the question. Learn from me. Whatever I am explaining, that is how to apply the formula on question, and this technique you have to learn. So on your own understanding and basis, you solve the question number 1 to 6. This will be your homework for today. Thank you.